Oh, look at Shrek.
Shrek is ready.
A zombie pose?
Because that is cool. Here we go.
Hi, Bluey.
We'll be following. We're gonna follow. We're gonna follow them outside.
Hi, Shrek. Here's Shrek.
Shrek. There's Paddington. Oh, Simon Sam's here. It's like my childhood. Oh, there's Barney. I'll be having words with him later. Dora the Explorer. The Ninja Turtle. Oh, Superman is here. Sonic is looking. I think Sonic has had. Sonic is here. Oh my days! It just keeps going. It's like it keeps seeing childhood favourite. Yeah. Francis, do we need to do a high five when Cat in the Hat comes over to recreate that scene in Jingle All the Way?
Are your parents in the reboot?
No, it's not. That's not that. She looks a little bit like her, but hello. Oh my God, machine! Machine. Rebecca's going to be jealous. She's missing that. Oh, Eagle Biggle, Eagle Biggle, Eagle Big. Oh my God, Pingu, Pingu. Oh wait, Miraculous and Pingu.
Where's Pingu?
Pingu's just come in, Miraculous.
Is that the catchphrase guy? Is that the guy?
Yes, it is. It's his catchphrase guy. Oh, there's Miraculous.
Oh,
hello.
It's like the Joel Haver cartoon.
Pingu, Pingu, Pingu. I grew up with you. He grew up with you. Do 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 do. Bugs Bunny, another classic. Okay, we got to recreate the scene from Jingle. Hey, oh. Here we go. Oh my God, it's Cat in the Hat. High five. Oh,
Haver, like,
it's a Teletubbies. No. I've always wanted to meet a Teletubby. I'm legit about to cry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky. I was the biggest Tinky Winky stan as a child.
Tinky Winky. Gypsy.
My sister was a Lala. Tubby Toast. Bring back Tubby Toast. Someone here has the power to bring back.
Let's go follow
the mascot parade is going around. We're going to. So I like that. It actually goes around the thing. Actually, maybe we can catch it again.
Oh, we've got Tinky Winky stuck over there.
Tinky Winky. We are now part of the. We are now licensable at this show, Anime UK, and here's many adventures. They got the mascots. There we are. Yesterday? Walking back out with the mascot. Sonic is making his way. Now I have like died and gone to Tinky Winky's over there. I should tell you, I should go tell him how much he meant to me. I like this as supposed to be an anime channel. It has dissolved into I love mascots. Yeah, I love that. I love Pingu is in good form. Here comes trouble. Here. Captain Pikachu is here. He is in a dancing mode. We hugged earlier. There was a photo of me and Captain Pikachu hugging. And there is a full colour, so it's actually really cool to see. Also, the giant Pikachu is back. We've got to get some use out of that.